welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this simple lace which is worked continuously, and this is done using only shuttle. Here I'm not using ball thread, only shuttle thread we are going to work with. Now let's start with the first ring. It's a ring of 3 double stitch followed by 3 picots, and then we'll close this ring and work with the next ring, reversing our work. Let's form a ring. 3 double stitch will be placed. Picots, and then 3 double stitch again. 1, 2, 3, picot, 1, 2, 3. This will be the third picot. And let's close this ring. Now this is the first ring. We will reverse our work, leave a bit of space and form the second ring. And let's close this ring. Now we'll have to reverse our work again. Form a ring. Leave a bit of space and place the first knot. I'll go a bit slow to show you how the rings are formed again. Now pick the thread in this picot. And then 3 double stitch. And then picot. let's close this ring. Reverse our work again. Form a ring. I'm running out of thread from the shuttle thread. Placing knots this way. Now this is how it looks. This can be continued for any length we require. And this can be placed for table mats or sari edges or any dress edges or hanky edges also using still thinner thread. It looks beautiful. I hope you all liked it and enjoyed watching.